Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we'll be talking about customizing bullets and theme. Now let's go and customize the bullet. Remember, we'll be working on three different types of bullets. Number one, we'll use picture icon as a bullet. Number two, we'll be changing the bullets itself, the default bullets. So we'll change the size and we'll change the color of the default bullets. And the third one is we'll use symbol as a bullet. Okay, so let's start the changing the first level bullets. Now, to change the first level bullet, for example, here if you see the potted flower, this is a first level bullet, and the second one is 3 size, and this is the second level bullet. And if I go next, if I press tab here, now this is a small square box. This is my third level of bullets. Okay, so what we can do is we need to go and change. The best place is go to the slide master. Okay, now in the slide master, what I do is I want to apply the same bullets on all slides, whether it's a single content or is a double content. Okay, so the best place is go for the master then. Okay, I'll go for the slide master, and here I'll click on the first one in the main bullet, first level bullet, and then I'll go to the home and I can say okay. In the bullets, you see here, I can go for the bullet and numbering. In this one I can click on the picture. Now, before, pictures were available within the computers, but now we have to go and search for the bullet. So I say okay, I'm searching for yellow bullet icon. So let's search for that and see if we can find some interesting. Okay, let me try this one. Let's see if it is a good size. I hope so. It's a small size. Let me go back again and let's try another one. Picture, I can say yellow bullet icon, and I can pick the bigger size one. For example, this one. I can click insert, and now this is inserted here as a bullet. Now this is done. Now I can go for the second level, same as again, click on the second level, but this time we'll be working on the bullets which are available in this. So I can go for the bullet and numbering, and I say I want to go for the square bullets. Okay, so in the square bullets, I say I want to make the size 150. So I want to increase the size. Okay, and then I say I want to change the color to yellow as well. Okay, now you see here, it will be a bigger size, and then it will be a yellow as well. Now the third level, I have to go to the third level now. In the third level, I need, you see here, I need a horizontal bar. Okay, so I can go here and I can say okay, I'm interested in bullet and numbering, and I'll go for the customize. Now I'll come on the symbols. You see the symbols? I can click on the horizontal line. Here you go, and I can say okay, and that's it. I want to have something like, same. If you want to increase the size, maybe make it 120. It's up to you. And then I can click OK. So this is my third level and the default color. So that's it. Now I can close the slide masters and see the effect. Oh, there you go. So now my bullets are, this is the picture bullet, this is my bullet, and if I go for the next part, this is the third level, and this is my horizontal bullet. Okay, so that is how we customize bullet style. Now what we want to do is we would like to save this as a theme. This you can say that this background and this color background and this green text and the bullets, whatever we have done until so far, I liked it and I want to save as a theme. So in future, if I create my presentation, so I can make use of this theme. So let's go to the design and click on the uh, more button and then click on the save theme. By the way, you can save the theme in the default location. Okay, I can say, okay, this is my flower custom custom one. Okay, or maybe I can say flower custom, so it will overwrite the previous one. So this is saved on the default location. Okay, now I want to save my this theme on my own location. So I can say save current theme on the location of my own. So I can go and I can, I can get this location from here and I can say okay, and this is, I can say flower. Okay, I do have flower before, but I want to overwrite it. Okay, I'm going to delete the previous one and I'll save it on my. So this is how you can create and save the theme. Now let's go and apply the theme. So if you want to apply the theme, the best way is I can change here, I can change my slides. There you go. So it changes all the slides. Okay, so I can go back. I can no, I want to apply this custom. There you go. So I'm applying my custom theme to the current slides. So now I can do that. Okay, how can you apply a custom theme to a new presentation, or you want to create a new presentation with your custom theme? Okay, let's go and see. If you go for the file and you say new, now we will be creating a new presentation with my custom theme. Now you can see the custom here, you see, because we have a custom theme. So you can click on that and click create. So you are creating a new presentation with a custom theme. Now it has a yellow color and the orange color for the title. If I do Control M, you see that I got a bullet here. So I can say Tariq, for example, press enter and press tab. I got a second level bullet, Aziz, and then I say okay, next. You see horizontal level bullets. So I'm getting all those stuff which I just created. Now if you want to delete the theme, okay, so you can go there and click on the more, click on the right click on the custom and click on the delete. At this point in time I don't want to delete, but if you want to delete, you can click on that and it will be deleted from the. So now let's go and apply a theme to the slide number 8. Okay, so I don't want to say this one. Let me go down, and then on the slide number 8 I want to apply a second theme. Okay, this is one theme and now I want to apply a second theme. Before I apply the second theme, I want to show you something. Let me go to the view slide master. Now in slide master, if you see, I have a theme number 1. Okay, if I go down, there's nothing else but theme number 1. When I will apply a second theme to the slide number 8, we will see what will happen here. So I can go to the design and I say okay, I want to make this one, apply to the selected slide. Okay, I just want to go back, and now you see here the text is on this side. So let's go and see the slide view master, and then we'll see what will happen. View slide master. Now if you see here, I am on this slide. You see that? And this is number 2, theme number 2. So let me fix this part. Okay, let me fix this part. I can click on that. So any slide I'll create with this theme will be having this kind of stuff. And you see the bullets are different here, huh? because we didn't change the bullets for this one. We changed the bullets for the theme number 1. Okay, let's go back. And there you go. This is theme number 1, and which has a background, different background for the title slide. And this is now theme number 2. So this presentation is using 2 themes now. Okay, and you see here we fix the spacing of this one. Now you see here we got the title and the bullets in a proper way. We already examined number 1 and number 2 theme. I have just shown you. That's it for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture we'll be working on how to collaborate PowerPoint with Word and Excel, so we'll be talking about the collaboration, inshallah. So let's kafara majlis dua. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.